Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see already in the title, I will be doing a unboxing. It's the Gucci unboxing, and I ordered a their interlocking G tight. So anyways, let's unbox this. I received this really quick. It was like a 2 or 3 day shipping, and the shipping was free. So anyways, they come in with this big box, and I was like, I only ordered one. So when I opened the box, the brown box, it was like, oh, they cover it with like a bubble stuff, like a bubble plastic. Okay, all right, so let's open this box. Okay, so all right, so right here, see, it's really tiny. I don't know why they have to ship it big one with a big box, but anyways, this is the stockings. Comes with the plastic. Just open her. So this is the stockings. It's just, I got the black. They do have the white and the brown one, but I got the black one. I just want to see, you know, how they fit me and how they really look like in person. And this is the Gucci. What is this? I don't know what this is, but right, paper. I think this is, I actually don't know what is this. Oh, it's the stocking size. Just says there, stocking size. Anyway, this is the stockings. You guys see? Don't mind my nails right now. It says Gucci right there. That's the GG print. I ordered this tie. You might ask, why did you order this? I saw a lot of picture with their black dress, and they wear this together with like a boot. So I'm just like, I was curious if it looks good on me, so I ordered it. Actually, the price for this one is $100 US, and the tax is $6. But anyway, this is how it looks like. Let me just get this cartoon like this. All right, so I'm gonna try this on you guys and show you what they look like on me. Okay guys, so I changed in this like a blazer dress that I got from, I believe I ordered this dress from Boohoo, and this is what I meant from maybe pairing this ties with this dress. I don't know if you guys can see, but it really looks cute, and maybe I'll partner this one with a boots or like a high heels. It really depends on you, like what's your preference. So for me, I feel like I'm probably gonna wear like a ankle, or I don't know what kind of boots do I have to wear, but like maybe like a ankle boots, I think. But anyways, this is how they look like here. I don't know if you guys can see, I'm like literally in this room. This room is a little bit messy right now, but here, let me just like zoom you guys in. But this is how the stocking, this is how the stocking looks like. It's actually, I'm sorry, it actually just like glides on me. I'm trying to be careful to put it on because I don't want to like rip the stocking. But anyways, I would wear it with this one. It's like a business casual look, or like going out look with your friends. So I'd probably wear this going out with my friends and have a drink, or like a, you know, like a brunch. So this is how they look like. Just don't mind the background right now. But hold on, let me try to give you guys a look. So I'm just gonna spread my legs here. So this is how they look. It's really like, it's really soft. By the way, I got the size medium. They only have small, medium, and large, but this is how they look, you guys. So you can see the GG sign, like the Gucci. So this is like the close-up look here, right That's the close-up look. I'm sorry if the try on part was a little bit failed, but what I normally like vision using or like wearing the tights would be like this. Right there, if you guys can see, she has the GG tights, and they also have, like I said, they have the brown one and they have the white ones. I think I might get the white. I kind of like the white one. So I kind of saved some of the pictures that I saw on Instagram, like, you know, how they use and pair their Gucci tights. Like, for example, this one, she got the Gucci, and I think the other girl got the Balenciaga. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but anyways, this one as well, like you can wear it with like a skirt. You can wear this like as if you're wearing like this casual. I don't know how this is called. I forgot what's the name of this. But anyway, this one right here, another inspo pic. But anyway guys, it actually feels really good. I'm like really touching it and rubbing it right now. It feels really good, and I don't have a problem, you know, putting them in. It's just like I just have to be careful just putting them in, because like I said, it's $100 stockings. It's a lot of money from us, just stockings, but you know, it's like Gucci, you're paying for the like the name. But anyways, I will update you guys on like the picture on my Instagram if you follow me on Instagram, or if not, make sure to follow me. It's glenn.tawney. It's basically just my name but with a dot in the middle. I'll put it here so you guys can follow me, and I'm gonna take a lot of pictures wearing this Gucci tights. And yes, hopefully you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next one. Bye.